The Eternal Pro integration with Lawmatics is fast, secure, and bidirectional. It lets estate planners run intake in Eternal Pro while keeping client contacts, matter data, and files synchronized with Lawmatics. This is your Eternal Pro dashboard where you manage intake. To get started with the Lawmatics integration, hover over the Integrations menu and click Lawmatics. Click Connect to Lawmatics and then complete the standard authorization flow to let Eternal Pro connect. Once the status shows green, you can return to the dashboard. We'll take a client who has finished their intake, as indicated by the green completion circle, and then click the share icon next to their name. The first section asks where to send the data. Choose Lawmatics. If the client has more than one matter in Eternal Pro, pick the source matter here, then pick the destination matter in Lawmatics. Either choose an existing matter, create a new one, or leave it blank for a default title. Next, choose what to export. In this example, we will send everything one item at a time. Pick your preferred format for the intake questionnaire and for the asset inventory. You can also choose to include the files the client uploaded during intake, such as copies of documents needed for planning. And lastly, synchronize the contacts the client entered. You decide how each contact is handled in Lawmatics. You can see already the system is noting that several contacts already exist in Lawmatics, so in that case, it defaults to linking the existing contacts. You can also choose to skip a contact or synchronize, which both links it to the matter and updates the existing contact's details. This provides granular control over data synchronization with Lawmatics. Now click Export. During this process, Eternal Pro sends a secure, encrypted set of data directly into Lawmatics, automatically handling matter creation or linking to an existing matter. It also automatically creates links or synchronizes contacts as you've specified and synchronizes all the selected data into the matter. A success message confirms what was sent. Key matter records are shown for confirmation and stored with the matter. Now switch to Lawmatics and open your matters. We'll find the new matter we created right here. Click to open the matter. You can see that, along with the client, the related contacts that we previously linked or added appear here with their details directly in the Lawmatics matter. Open Files, and you'll find every uploaded file, plus the intake questionnaire and asset inventory we exported. Everything is organized and ready to use, with all the data here, right in the Lawmatics matter. That's an overview of the Lawmatics integration. It's just one piece of what Eternal Pro does. If you'd like to see the rest, book a demo and we'll show you how it fits your existing Lawmatics and legal technology workflows. Thank you.